This is the Check-Set Calibrator data logger. The Food Safety Modernization Act is calling for traceability from farm to table, and this device is going to data log your information so that you have it readily available. We went and spoke to people in the food and beverage industry, food quality specifically, and this is what they were looking for. They wanted a device that would calibrate their thermometers quickly and accurately, and that would have traceable records in the event of an audit. Right now, most food and beverage processors are using a ice bath and a boiling water method. There's a long setup. It's hard to replicate and get an accurate reading. This is super easy. You turn on the button. It has 4 set points, 32 freezing, 40 a critical control point where pathogens cannot grow, and 160 is where pathogens are killed, and 212, which is boiling. This is your certificate of calibration. So if an auditor were to come in, you have it very handy and you can just pull it right up and show them that it's within calibration. And then I can go in here into the settings and I can set up the time. I can go into the lockout settings and I can set a reminder for when the calibration is expired and needs to be redone. I can also set a lockout. As the manager, if I don't want any of the technicians taking records when it's not in calibration, I can prevent them from doing so. Over here, I can add employees and I can add devices so that I know which thermometer was calibrated by which person at which time. I set it here to 40 degrees to take a reading. And if I want to go and create a record, now that the screen is green, I'd have the set point of 40 degrees. I have the date. I'll now select the employee here and I'll select the device. This is thermometer ABC. I'll save the record. And now I can go look at my previous records and you see there is the reading that I just took. At this point, if I'm the manager and I want to take the information off the device, I would put it on a USB. I can then pop it into my computer. It's a CSV file, so I can view it in Excel. I can sort the data. I can upload it to my other reports or send it directly to the FDA, whatever I want to do. There it is.